What's up, guys? Call Destroyer. So today I found out that when I screen record, I can use a webcam. So now you guys get to see me react. Epic. I'm playing Booga Booga. Best game ever. Alrighty. Wait, what the heck? Our tribe disbanded? Oh no. Bruh. I like how I just started recording. Well, at least I got these free items. I got this cool mace for free. One of the dudes gave it to me. Alrighty. Just gather a bunch of wood. I'm level 3 still. Oh, come on. Of course I'd like to join your tribe. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, they brought it back. Oh, excuse me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Oh yeah. My hair's all messed up. It's the morning. Well, not really. It's the afternoon now. It's like 12. I'm at. Okay, it looks less retarded. There we go. Wait, oh. I forgot the cameras are like switched, so I won't move to that. Ah, there we go. Okay. Right now I'm gathering materials. Oh my god. Again? It's crap. Join Kai. I'll have to eat soon. Okay, I'm level 4. I can. Oh, wait, no. Oh, I forgot. I have to be like level 7 to do that. Alright, well, let me eat real quick. So, what the heck? Hello. I just witnessed this man's murder. I'm slowly walking away. That's crazy. Okay. Just slowly gonna walk away. Hopefully he doesn't notice me. Okay, we're good. Oh, isn't there like a mine over here somewhere? No? Okay. Okay, well, meanwhile, he's distracted with that. I am actually very poor. I have no coins, but that's okay. I need to eat food. I see a castle over there. I'm gonna go to it. Hopefully I don't die. And be like, hey, let me join your tribe now. You already know that I have your handy dandy Legos. I could be getting there so much quicker using the raft. It's just like me slowly walking over there. Oh. No, I'm poor. I'm like level 4. Huh, this guy didn't kill me. Yeah, he immediately knew, yeah, this guy's poor. This guy's poor. Let me follow him. Maybe he can be like my guardian. If I can figure out how to sprint. I don't think there's sprint here. Oh, there is sprint. Okay. Alright, well, let me follow this guy around. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing. He's asking me for iron. He must know the stuff. Ooh, there's gold over here. I need some of that gold. Maybe this can like help me. I think this is gold. Whoa, two nice big gold ingots. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I'm stuck down here. I think I need a pickaxe to kill that, but I mean mine that. Oh, Jesus, I'm actually stuck down here. Okay, there we go. Alright, well, let's go to my sea. Let's drop this. Drop that. Get out. Let's eat both of these. Okay, my health is back to normal. Let's actually go to the crafting place. I want to craft a pickaxe. Okay. Let's craft one of these. Let's get out. Let's get my wooden pick. And let's see if I can. Come on. Why won't it let me mine this? Does it have to be like iron or something? Whatever. Okay. But we still have our mace. This looks kind of promising. Big Oi Hut Rumble. There must have been a fight here. Reporting. Someone's having an argument in the chat. I like how I'm just trying to. Yay! Look at all this wood. All right. Yeah. No, it's not for that. All right, bro. I'm just asking, can I join your tribe? And he's running away from me. I will murder you. You know what, young man? I'm gonna kill you right now. I'm starving. Alright, let me. Oh, hold on, let me get to some dry land. I'm gonna starve. It's gonna be bad. Wait, somebody has to be here because I see a bunch of these things. What the heck is this? No access. Forget that. I'm gonna break this down. Ice gate. Wait, hold on. First, let me. Alright, so I have a bunch of these. Let me just eat all these. Alright. Oh. Hold on, give me like 4 more. Alright, that's my max. Alright, so I'm in at 13. I have to go, guys, because I need to do stuff. Oh, wait! I need, like, I'll give you the computer, because I need to upload the video, and then that takes a long time. Somebody here? Oh, shit. That scared me. I thought he was after me. It's cold up here. I don't care if it's cold up here. Huh. Give me a second, guys. How do you do that? No, like, it's like weird. Anyways, sorry about that. I'm gonna go back to this man's hut. Oh crap. Should I like kill this man? I will murder this man. Is this where I can mine? I want iron! Give me iron. I need this. We shall fight to the death for it. Gold. I can't mine the gold though. Thank God there's no fall damage here. You know what? Should I just kill this man as a last resort? I'm sorry. I am sorry. But now it is time for you to die. Die. Sunday, you're one hit away from me killing you, and I'm gonna kill you. I apologize. It's for the fans, so it's okay. Come on, you're one hit away. I will murder this man. I cannot give up. Nope, 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 nope. You're dead, 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 you're dead. Haha. Noob. You just take all your stuff. He's probably gonna come back and swear war revenge. Let's check my see. I only have one iron though. Where's the rest of the iron? Or did it? Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh. All right, guys. What's gonna that's gonna finish up today's episode of Booga Booga. But yeah, I killed somebody. So let's see how that goes. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe.